Welcome to our channel Traveling. We are Shivi and Saket, a travel couple on a once-in-a-lifetime road trip. After finally reaching Nordkapp, we are heading back to Oslo, but not without taking the most scenic route possible. In today's vlog, we drive through the stunning Lyngen Alps, explore vibrant Tromsø, and take two ferries with breathtaking views along the way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the rest of the unforgettable Norway adventure. Hi, good morning guys. So yes, we are ready now. Yesterday night I didn't give you update because we were very late. We did some charging for our car, but due to the weather and some chargers were not working, like the fast chargers were not working, so we had to do the slow charging one, which took a lot of time. So we got really late to reach our place, and that's why we just went to sleep and couldn't update you guys. But yeah, so today morning update is that we have decided to go to Tromsø. So we'll start our drive in some time. We have just now packed our car, got ready, and then we have made the food and everything. So now we'll just eat our breakfast and then we'll start. Then we will start from here. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on where we are going next, and then you can follow along our journey. And then we have already been to Tromsø before, but yeah, still we wanna see it in this weather. So let's see how it goes, and we'll keep you updated. So guys, yes, we have done with the breakfast and cleaned the place. So now we are just gonna go inside our car. Yep. But yes, you can see the cottage from outside as well. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the place. This is our car, and then it's like a huge camping site till there. So yeah, we'll start now and see if we can reach Tromsø by time, because yesterday we got really late and we don't want to do that today. It's already around 10 o'clock because we had to charge it in the morning as well. So yeah, it took some time. But yes, if you guys want the link of this place, it was really nice cabin. Like, we really loved staying over here. So if you guys need any link or you want to book the same cabin, just leave a message in the description box, leave a message or a comment below, so that we can send you the link or we can tell you how to book this place. And also, like, we came late, but still we got an upgrade here, but which was pretty easy. So it's not like you have to book quite early. So even if you don't book early, it works. But it's off season. But in on season, if you are coming, you might have to book weeks in advance. So yeah, make sure that happens. Yeah, bye bye. We'll start now. Quick update here that now we are in a ferry and we are going from Olderdalen to, what's the place? Lyngen. Yeah, so that's the place. There we are going, and it's on the way for Tromsø. So if you go from Alta to Tromsø, either you can take a ferry or you can also drive and take. There are two ferries on the way, so you can take one ferry and drive the whole distance, or you can take both the ferries and drive a shorter distance. So we are taking both the ferries today, so that's why this is first ferry that we are taking. And the views from this ferry are like mesmerizing. They are to die for. We totally loved it. Like, it's so beautiful. All the Alps are visible from the ferry, so we just loved it. We were just taking pictures and videos outside, and now we just came back in our car, because I think in 10 minutes or so the ferry is going to stop, because it's just a 40 minutes ferry. It's a car ferry, so you can park your car, and there is a small cafe also, so you can even eat. We already had our lunch, so we didn't have to eat anything. But yeah, we explored the cafe, we explored the ferry, and we also took beautiful pictures from this place. We are gonna show you how the view is from the ferry, then you can decide for yourself whether to take a ferry or not. But yes, the drive also from Alta till here was very beautiful. Like, we totally loved it. It's so pretty. This village from where we are coming right now, Olderdalen, it's in our list now. So whenever we try to come back here, we are definitely gonna stay there for one night or 2 nights, because it was so beautiful. Like, we were like, we should have stayed here. It's so pretty. But yeah, since we are exploring for the first time, we get to know new places every time. So yeah, this is one of the best place we have been in last 4-5 days. So yeah, it's so beautiful. So you guys can mark it for your itinerary as well. So we have arrived in Lingan. You can see the view behind me, like it's mesmerizing. It's so beautiful, and the ferry comes from that side only. So you can imagine the ferry ride, how beautiful the ferry ride must be. So yes, this is like on the way to Tromsø. So we have stopped here for some time, and we are gonna explore the little town, this town, and then we are gonna continue our road trip. And we have to take another ferry, which is I think in next 1 hour. So we have at least 1 hour to explore this place and hang out a little bit, because it's so beautiful and so pretty, and there is one viewpoint also. So we are gonna go there and check it out, and if it's something beautiful, then we are gonna definitely. We are back in the car after exploring this little town, and now we are driving towards our next ferry. But yeah, let me tell you guys, like this town is magical. It's so beautiful. Like when we were driving to the viewpoint that I mentioned, every point was looking like we have to stop the car, like every place was so beautiful, so beautiful. I can't remember last time when we have stopped so much, and like we have already missed one of our ferry, but yeah, we are targeting the next one. So yes, we'll show you around, like what's the next place is and where we are going to catch the ferry, and then you can also see. And yeah, I highly recommend to visit this town when you are coming to Norway, because this is gonna be a game changer in your itinerary. Like you are gonna love it. So yeah, make sure to add this one also in your itinerary. But yeah, keep following our journey, and then you will know where we go next. We have arrived in Svenski, and we were waiting for our ferry, but it has just now arrived. You can see there that the car ferry has arrived, and we'll be boarding it soon. We are in a ferry right now. The sunset colors are there, but you cannot see it's behind us, but it's really very beautiful. You can see the views all along the route is pretty much very scenic, and the landscape, my god. We have arrived in Tromsø. As you can see behind me is Arctic Cathedral. So this is the main attraction of Tromsø, and we have been here I think 5 years back. So we have been inside also 5 years back, but right now we are quite late and it's closed. It will be open tomorrow morning, but probably we will leave for our next destination. But we have already been inside, so it's fine. But yes, if you are coming to Tromsø for the first time, this is the main attraction you should visit. It's Arctic Cathedral, and it's very pretty from inside as well. And here you can see the whole view of Tromsø. I just remember how we came by bus, and there is a bus stop right there. How we came by bus the last time we were here, approximately 5 years back, and it's still the same. It's still same and beautiful. And like last time also it was very cold because we came in February, but yeah, it's less colder now, but still the view is the same. Snow covered mountains, the bridge, the cathedral, and the water. But yes, this is Tromsø, guys. So you guys can come here when going for Northern Norway trip. And of course this is famous for Northern Lights. I think our first Northern Lights we saw here in Tromsø, and it was spectacular. Like I still remember the first time I saw it, and it was the best show of that season also. So it was really beautiful. I don't think I have seen Northern Lights more than 10 times now, but the experience that I had for the first time here in Tromsø was the best. Today let's see if we can see, because it's a bit cloudy today, but we are hoping if we get lucky we may be able to see it. But since we have already seen it multiple times, we don't book any tours. We will try to catch it ourselves. So let's see if we could do that or not. But yeah, this is Tromsø guys, and you guys can come here. It's a beautiful place in Norway, and it's must visit if you wanna go for Northern Lights, or if you wanna experience the polar nights or the winters in Norway. So we have arrived at our apartment in Tromsø, which we have booked. We booked it yesterday and it's looking pretty nice, like last minute option, but still it's pretty good. So that's the bedroom, and then we have a fully furnished living room. See, that's the sofa. It also got a world map, which is the best thing here. And then we have a kitchen with everything, like we even have oven and everything. So let's see what we are gonna cook tonight. And yeah, we are gonna relax here for a bit. Then we had planned to visit one place, which we are gonna show you soon where we are going, because it's still daylight here. So we thought we might go and explore one of the place here, which we have not done last time when we were here. So yeah, let's see if we are able to go there or not. And also we are gonna do some cooking for tomorrow, so that we can start our day early, because since last 2 days we are getting very late because of cooking and all. So we thought maybe we'll cook tonight as we are early here. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight. But yes, if you want the link for this apartment, then please comment down below so that we can share the link with you, and you guys can also book this place. This is really nice option, and it's a budget option, and with this budget getting these many amenities is really difficult in Norway. So it's pretty good option. So if you like this, then please tell us. We are gonna share the link of this particular Airbnb with you guys. And yeah, see you guys soon. As I said that we are gonna go and explore some place. So this is that place, McDonald's, and there is something very special about it. This is the world's northernmost McDonald's in the world. So that's why it is famous, and that's why we have come here. So we'll go inside and order something for us. Follow us, and make sure when you come to Tromsø you also visit this, because this is a exceptional, or I would say an experience to have, because it's the world's northernmost McDonald's. That's it for today's adventure. From Nordkapp to ferry rides and snowy peaks through Lyngen and Tromsø. It's been unforgettable drive, but it only gets better from here. Tomorrow we'll be taking you through one of Norway's most scenic drives, the Senja National Tourist Route, with dramatic coastlines, mountain backdrops and hidden gems along the way. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss the beauty of Senja. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.